Hi guys, just going to give the England Football Kit Kite another flight. We're at Webbs Heath and that tractor has just finished loading up all the grass that's been cut. It was in bales, you might be able to see it behind that tree over there. So I think we got the timing just right. It's windy, it's not a steady wind, it's a bit gusty. So yeah, we're going to give it a try anyway. Because when I did a reassembly of this at home, I decided I might have got it wrong when we did it out at Porter's Head last time. So I think it's together in a slightly different way. So we'll see if it collapses, because it kept collapsing when it was flying last time. Come on, a bit more wind. Just a little bit more. I'm not even sure if the hat camera's focused on it. I've got it on a fairly short line at the moment. Well, oh, wind's dropped. I think that'll do, actually. Oh, wait a minute, there's a gust behind me. Alright, we'll have a couple more minutes. Okay, let's see if we can get it down this time. That'll do. Well, that didn't collapse this time. Admittedly, the wind wasn't anything like as strong, but I think I didn't have the spars in the right place last time. Yeah, I think last time I had that spar on the outside rather than underneath, and I think that was causing it to collapse. I think I had the same problem at the back there as well. I didn't have that one on top. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.